Hello children. So let's begin type 4 questions. Now this is a very beautiful theorem, alternate segment theorem. It is very simple. Pictorial memory you should keep. Okay. If you keep pictorial memory, that will help you. Now this diagram you are seeing here, right? You see one tangent here. This is tangent and a triangle in a circle. Now the angle which the tangent is making with outside with this has to be equal to the angle in the alternate segment, not this segment, that side. That's why it is called alternate segment. This is one segment, this is major segment, minor segment. Angle which the tangent is making in one of the segments of the circle is equal to the angle on the triangle in the alternate segment. Understood? Similarly, the tangent is also making another angle this side. Okay. Now this has to be equal to B. Keep a pictorial memory of this. Instead of remembering the words, circle theorems, I always suggest that the more you remember pictorially, and what's the method to do that? You have to draw with your hand, mark them, alternate segment. Okay. Once you do that, you will get it. Okay. So let's begin with the questions. Look at them very carefully. See A, and this angle is equal to this one. Okay. Let's begin questions using this theorem. Let's begin. These are type 4 questions in our website, examprep.world. Open the website, open the practice sheet where you will get. It is in the learn and practice zone, the first window. And I will give a lot of questions in the window where you can download worksheets. Okay. So once you learn something, practicing has to be done from the worksheets. And if you are not getting solutions, so you can always write to me. And you can also write to me about what kind of topics you need extra and what kind of questions if you are feeling. You can also mail the question to me. I'll be posting small videos and I'll reply to you, each one of you, with those answers. Okay, this help from my end. So let's begin questions from this type. Yeah. Now get the picture which we just saw. If this is 73, okay, this angle also has to be 73, alternate segment, right? And if this is 24, this also has to be 24, right? Now they are asking x, zxy, zxy done 73, right? szx, szx also we did, which is also 24. Now yzx, yzx. Now whole of this is 120, right? 180, isn't it? So 180 minus 24 plus 73. How much is that? $83. So this angle is 83 degrees. See, it helped. Alternate segment theorem very helps a lot. Okay. And this is the theorem which you will be used most apart from the angle in the same segment. This is the one which is used most to solve your IB questions which come in exam. Okay, it's very easy to solve them. So it is 83. Let us complete this one. Let us move on to the next question. Let me zoom it for you. Let's begin with this. Okay. Zy is diameter or not, we are not very sure, right? But this angle is how much? 24. This is 24, so A has to be 24. As simple as that. Now 24 and 63, how much it is? And this is 63. This also has to be 63. Now C will be 180 minus 63 plus 24. So 180 minus 63. 93. In this triangle, if they ask you to prove that zy is not the diameter, you can prove it like this. If C was 90, then zy is diameter, because triangle in a semicircle is right angle triangle. Okay. So with this, actually, although they didn't ask, but I'm just creating one more question for you where they can ask by giving this, prove that zy is not the diameter. So you find this angle, it is 93. So you prove that zy is not a diameter. As simple as that. Okay, copy. I am proceeding to the next one. Yeah. Okay, come on children. So let's begin. This is 31. So which is alternate angle? Here. This is 31, alternate segment. Okay. Now to find E and F are definitely equal because alternate segment. This angle is equal to this one, but we don't know what is this. So we can do 78 and 31. We can subtract from 180. We will get this angle, and that angle also we can get because they are all linear pair. They are all on a straight line. So 180 minus 31 minus 78. 71. So this is 71 degrees. This is also 71 degrees. Easy to understand? Copied? Let's move on to the next one. Yeah. Here. So let's begin. 42. So which one has to be 42? This has to be 42. This is 68. This has to be 68. And Z should be 180 minus 68 and 42. $70. Okay. It was easy, relatively very easy, right? Alternate segment theorem is the easiest theorem. If you have understood with the pictorial memory of our sheet 1, this one, if you have understood this image properly, you will be able to do all the questions of this particular topic. Let's see if we have. So we have come to an end of this topic. Alternate segment, it is very, very easy. We practiced quite a few questions. I want you to open the worksheets and the learn and practice zone. There you will have some more questions. And even after you complete that, then still you want to practice, you can go to download worksheet section, and there you can download worksheets and start doing the questions. And if you find any problem, you can mail me or write to me, and I will be definitely putting videos for that particular worksheets. Okay, thank you.